cookies pero merong potato fries tapos lalagyan pa ng chocolate on top? Parang first time ko yata makakasubok nito ah. So tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa TGS sa SM Clark. Personally, I think this is where you'll get some of the best cookies in Pampanga. Alam yan ng marami sa inyo. Ang dami pang flavors na pagpipilian tapos every month yata naglalabas ng bago.
Patikim muna nito, yung merong fries. Oh. So, mag-tiktok ba? Sige. Ito yung chocolate fries nila na savory cookie. Try natin. It's the classic TGS cookie base. You all know how good that is. Fries. It's savory, salty. And it complements really well with the cookie. It's not weird at all. It's actually really good. It's another addition sa mga savory cookies nila. Meron sila nung spam keys. Tapos yung isa merong smoked bacon and I love both of them. So I think ito yung pangatlong medyo savory na flavor nila and I'm here for it. I love it.
Ito yung iba kong orders. Mga gusto ko dito yung tiramisu, yung Dubai. Tapos first time ko matitikman yung choco butternut. Gusto ko rin itong cereals and milk nila. Tapos this is their matcha and red velvet. Libre na to ah.